Hey guys, I'm Keri from Counselor Keri, and today I'm going to show you how to make a file folder game. First, you're going to glue the cover of your game onto the front of your folder. Then inside of your file folder, you can glue your actual game board. Just make sure it aligns in the center so that your game board looks like it's supposed to when you lay your folder flat on the table. After you get your game board where you want it, then you can glue the rules to your game on the back of your folder. It's really that simple. Then you can just open your folder and set up your game. I put the cards here on the game board so that the students know exactly what they need when they roll and land on a certain place. Now you can use binder clips to stand up your game pieces if you've printed them, or you can just use extra game pieces that you have lying around the room. Then you can use a pencil and a paper clip to create your spinner for your game. When you're done playing, you can put all of your cards and game pieces inside a Ziploc bag, and then you can clip it to the inside of your folder with the paper clip you were using for your spinner. That's it! Be sure to subscribe for more quick tips that you can use in your school counseling program to spark student growth.